Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Well, in this video I'm gonna share with you ladies these amazing ice cubes for your skin. You will get rid of all skin problems. In this hot weather, a slice of watermelon can feel so refreshing because it can quench our summertime thirst. This luscious fruit is not only delicious and healthful, but its high water content and antioxidants can boost your skin's radiance even more. The rind of the watermelon can make your skin feel soft and glowing by locking in sufficient moisture. It also acts as a natural toner. Additionally, if you have oily skin, you are also more susceptible to acne breakouts. The rind of the watermelon in ice cube form can eliminate the oil from the surface of your skin and also clean the pores. This way, your face can become clear with regular use. To begin with, you will have to carve the fruit out neatly and store it away. Next, cut the rind into pieces and then put them in the blender to make a paste out of it. Once done, pour the paste in a nice tray and keep it in the freezer for a few hours. Take one out and rub gently over your face and neck. Try this every day and you will see the results yourself. Just amazing results. Ice cubes, in general, are great for the skin. They can help with keeping your face feeling fresh and rejuvenated, and also give you relief from acne, pimple, pain, redness, and skin irritation. Also, ice cubes are great to keep your face feeling youthful all the time. You will get rid of fine lines and wrinkles over your face and neck. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.